Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well today. I'm gonna be doing a Telfar bag unboxing. So I have a medium cream Telfar here, and I did a video previously with the small and the large. When I was initially getting into Telfar as a brand, they didn't have a medium, so I'm very excited to see how this compares to the other two. I have them here on the side today, so I'll show them side by side. So they all come in the same standard canvas totes. And this is what the color cream looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and attempt to wear this one as my everyday bag, just because the large is a little bit too big for me to be like carrying around. I feel like it doesn't crossbody the best, even though I'm like 6 feet tall. So you think I would wear it like regularly, like crossbody, and it wouldn't be a problem, but for some reason whenever I crossbody the large, I feel like it kind of swallows me up. So that's something I would only carry like if I was traveling, to be honest, or maybe I needed to transport a lot of books. I don't know. So the sales price of the medium shopping bag is 202 USD, but post-tax it's $216.14, and shipping was free. I believe it's free express shipping because this purse got to my house in 3 days. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put my everyday stuff in it. So I have a prescription bottle here. I'm gonna put it in. I'm holding it weird like that because I'm not trying to give out all my personal information, you know. I have some vitamin C tablets, a pair of sunglasses, which I'm gonna put in the smaller interior pocket because this is like the large tote in the sense where it has an interior zip pocket, which is nice. I have a face mask, which I'm gonna put in the small interior pocket, a full-size charging brick. This is a makeup pouch that honestly I have stuff to the brim. Okay, I love options, so there's like a whole bunch of lip products in here, perfumes, eye drops, because I get dry eyes. But yeah, I'm gonna put the whole pouch in there. And I don't think anybody is like concerned about the capacity of this bag, okay? I'm pretty sure we can all gauge just by looking at it. It's a pretty spacious bag, so it just boils down to how much do you want to stuff it when you're carrying it. And then the last thing I'm going to put in here is this sunscreen. And honestly, I love this sunscreen. I haven't put it on yet. You know. I love this sunscreen. It's like one of those stick sunscreens. It's from AHC. It's the SPF 50, and I keep that handy because I live in Florida and it's hot. So, but you should be wearing sunscreen, period. If you didn't know, the ozone layer is going. There's holes in the stratosphere, and UV rays are harmful. So wear sunscreen. It's going to keep you from aging. Well, hold on. It's not going to keep you from aging. It's going to slow down the sun's effects of aging. I'll put my AirPods in there in the case. And then honestly, just because I'm being extra, like, I'm going to throw this fan in here. Because I need a fan sometimes. I could fit a full-size water bottle and hand sanitizer in here if I wanted to. I'm not gonna put the full-size hand sanitizer in there though. So this is what the purse looks like after I filled it. So this is the level that the medium crossbody carries at. This is the level that the purse falls at when I shoulder carry it, and keep in mind I'm 6 foot. Oh man, so oh my gosh, you're about to troll me, I'm about to troll me. But basically, the medium that they gave us is not really a medium, okay? Because I previously bought this, they labeled this a large, right? Like this was the small and this was the large. These two that I'm holding. That was all they were selling. Now, they've come out with a quote unquote medium, but what they did is their large became their medium tote. And then they just made, I'm assuming a tote larger than this one and called it their large. But I know I'm not going crazy. These bags are the exact same dimension. They really are. So I'm a bit bummed out about that. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know why I was expecting this bag to be like smaller, because it's not. Like, it's really not. These bags must have the same dimensions and they just switched the labeling of the sizing. But yeah, basically, if you bought a Telfar in the year like 2020 or before, the large is now the medium, and then I'm assuming their new large is bigger than this. But honestly, I don't want to tote any bigger than this, so I'm a bit disappointed about that. I cannot even lie. Alright, so my final thoughts about the bag. I'm honestly a bit disappointed that they didn't truly make a medium, that their old large just became their medium and they made a new tote above that. I feel like there is still something lacking from the Telfar line between the small and the medium size wise. So I'm not bummed out about the color of the bag. I really enjoy the color cream. I think it's lovely, but I'm bummed out about the size. I'm not gonna lie to you. So that's all I have for you today. I hope that you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you would like to, and let me know in the comments if this is something you already knew or if this is news to you, because honestly I'm still a bit taken aback. But I hope you're having a beautiful day wherever you are, and it's been a pleasure being here with you today. So I'll see you in the next one.